Okay, hey guys, Sharp as Earth Moving here. So today I'm going to do a review of the Backhoe Backhoe. This is a basic as model. I've had this for, it's one of my first 1/50 scale models. It doesn't even have a model number. It is literally just a Terex Backhoe. I'm wanting to upgrade this to something like a Northscott Cat 432E with all the attachments, or any other good backhoe you guys can recommend. Can you just leave it in the description? The functionality is pretty average. That's as far as it'll stretch out. Takes down a long way, but as you can see, the cylinders are strong enough to hold it in that position. Detail wise, it's Backhoe, so it's got all these big rivets all over it. You know, the bucket cylinder, on mine at least, is like bent. I don't know if you can see in there. See, it's all like disfigured and bent, and takes a lot of shoving with a piece of wood to get the cylinder to move. But I'm going to upgrade this model. Anybody got any suggestions on what backhoe I should get? Just leave it in the description, but we'll jump into this review. Just focus the camera here. So it's a Backhoe model. Bucket has replicated teeth, no other detail than that. You can see the linkage here is pretty basic. Mine's pretty much shot. Rubber tires, which are really nice. I'll probably salvage the wheels off these. Plastic rims. The interior of the cab is really nice. Some great detail in there. Probably also steal the bucket off this and put it on my Terex TC75 over there. Other than that, it's pretty basic, but it was a nice entry-level model, and definitely will be getting another backhoe to add to my expanding ranks and into the fleet. So, short video, but thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.